The unemployment issues across the country are negatively impacting the young minds, thus severely exacerbating the divide between the rich and the poor. Hamda Tariq, CEO Wise Education Society, and Sam Ali Dada met in Lahore and discussed that these cracks have started breaking apart the very fabric of our society as runaway inequality plays havoc across Pakistan. Objectives of the meeting were to highlight the challenges faced by youth for employment opportunities and the need for a concerted development effort to increase the employability in Pakistan. A strategic discussion was held where Muhammad Usman Haider, CEO Power Consultant Group, from the business community said that the root cause of unemployment is lack of technical education, skill development, and motivation of young minds in the right direction. The members decided to jointly develop a framework to conduct various educational trainings, technical workshops, seminars, and advanced courses to support and encourage young minds to be their own boss. The CEO of Women Business Forum, Sam Ali Dada, put forth several recommendations including the obstacles that people, particularly women, have to face at all levels to seek employment and run their businesses. The focus was on the advanced courses like artificial intelligence, big data, blockchain, digital marketing, and many more to make people enabled to start their own ventures and engage in freelancing to not only empower themselves but prove their abilities internationally. Hamda Tariq, CEO, Wise College, suggested to provide complete hand-holding of students from education and trainings to job placement free of cost to not put burden on the already unemployed persons, to provide assistance to deserving people without lowering their self-esteem and dignity. The members decided to bring together all the resources to start a collaborative initiative to work towards youth development, mainly for empowerment, skill development, and improving education standard, to start making an effort which can impact a large change and eventually turning it into a technical university. While discussing the importance of energy transition and technology, the members also focused on conducting trainings and courses on renewable energy like solar installation, trainings to make the people able to start and advance their careers in renewable energy to combat the climate change, as Pakistan is among the countries most vulnerable to climate change, already passing through adverse effects of climate change in the form of recent flood. In the discussion about climate change, Muhammad Usman Haider presented his book on advanced renewable and non-renewable energy sources to Hamda Tariq, saying that renewable energy tops the list of changes Pakistan can implement to stave off the worst effects of rising temperatures.